Yayday TV. Woo! What's up, Yayday team? Yayday Princess here. Oh, hey! Is this your first time hanging out with us? Welcome! We hang out every Friday and Sunday, aka #Fundays. And what do we do on #Fundays? Open crazy fake toys. Do you like crazy fake toys? Or at least think they're funny? Join the Yayday team. Okay, so today's crazy fakeness is full of unicorns. We got an LOL surprise, boys and girls, and a Poopsie cutie too. They both look like pink unicorn pearl surprises. So which one should we open today? Poopsie cutie tooties or LOL surprise, boys and girls? I wonder which one's gonna be better. So far, the Poopsie is already winning. So let's just open this one. So why is the Poopsie already winning? Ah! This is pretty cool. I don't think the LOL surprise one does that. So let's see if the surprises are just as cool. Whoa, this looks pretty cool. There's Poopsie cutie tooties everywhere, and it says collect them all. Ooh, our first surprise. Introducing our monkey poodle unicorn dog. She does look pretty crazy, but out of all of the fake cutie tooties we've had, she's not that terrible, even though she has glue on her eye. It looks like around the sides we have these little pop-outs. But I don't think the surprise is gonna fit through there. We'll give it a try. Yep, nope, can't get it. Let's get rid of this and pop our surprises out. We got 4 mini surprises. Let's start with gold. Can someone explain, please? Attack of the Hello Kitty restaurant stuff again. Hopefully our next surprise won't be any of this. What? I knew it. Boo! We got pink French fries. Okay guys, fingers crossed. Another chair. Yep, that's it. Another chair. I don't know, do you think a table can fit in here? Not a table, a bottle. And not a really good bottle either. But it's okay because it's not over. Maybe our table's behind here. Oh look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 surprise doors. Let's open the little fishy first. Now really, a baby chair. This is pretty cool. First I thought it was a high chair, but now I think it's a desk. So you know what that means? It can be both. And I love it. Let's do door number poodle next. We got whatever this is. Is it a bed or a crib or a sled? I have no idea. All I know is it's crooked. And it looks like someone had an accident. Ugh. Okay guys, 3 more to go. Fingers crossed for no more mystery stains. It's a little Hello Kitty desk. I guess this is where our teacher can sit. Let's open bear corn. Found our table, complete with Hello Kitty top. So what's our last surprise? We got another bed, and this one's not too bad, even though after what we've been through. Brown is an interesting choice. Ooh, we made it through our Poopsie unicorn surprise. But even though our unicorn head lights up, there's still a chance that LOL unicorn will take the win. So let me know what you think. Do you think this Poopsie unicorn is the winner? Or do you think LOL has a shot? Let me know down in the comments, over on Facebook, over on Instagram, or on all 3. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Who's the best? You're the best. Better than the rest. Taking a test. Remember to like, share, comment, and join the Yayday team. It's shout out time. They both look like pink unicorns. What? Poopsie cutie tooties. We got pink fishes. Fishes? What is it? Let's do door number poodle desk.